How to remove all pokes on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove all pokes on Facebook. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, then you simply have to tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, then you simply have to tap on the search icon which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And from here, you simply have to type box and simply search for it. And now here in this section, just tap on pokes again. And here in this section, you'll see the list of all people that you have poked. So here, to remove all the poke, you simply have to simply tap on the poke back option. And here, if you just want to clear all pokes, then you don't need to poke back. Currently, Facebook doesn't have a direct remove all button, but here is the trick. So here, when you don't poke back, those pokes will automatically disappear over time once you refresh the page or when the sender withdraws the poke. And that's it. That's how you can remove or clear all pokes on Facebook. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.